The Altitude Temperature Interactive Calculator solves temperature variations at different altitudes using standard atmospheric models. Let's explore the inputs. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: temperature at given altitude, altitude for given temperature, custom lapse rate calculation, density altitude from temperature, pressure altitude correction, and ISA deviation analysis. For this demonstration, I'm using temperature at given altitude. Next, enter the sea level temperature in degrees Celsius. I'm using 15. Input your altitude in meters. Here it's 3000. The target temperature field shows -4.5 degrees Celsius by default. Set your lapse rate in degrees Celsius per kilometer. Standard is 6.5. Enter actual temperature. I'm using 8 degrees. Input pressure in hectopascals, 1013.25. Set your altimeter setting in inches of mercury, 29.92. Finally, field elevation in meters, 1500. Click Calculate. Our results show temperature at -4.50 degrees Celsius, which represents the expected temperature at 3000 meters altitude. The temperature drop is 19.50 degrees Celsius from sea level. The atmospheric region indicates we're in the troposphere, where temperature decreases linearly with altitude. This calculator helps engineers verify atmospheric conditions for aviation and meteorological applications. Find the link in the description below.